Imagine you've built a thriving business, loyal customers, steady growth, and you start to wonder, can this model be multiplied? Can others run versions of what I've created under my brand in other towns, maybe even overseas? That's franchising. Today, I want to walk you through how to franchise your business in the UK, turning your single location into a network, scaling impact, income, and brand. Step 1. Ensure your business model is repeatable. Everything from customer journey, operations, supply chains to staff training, it needs to be documented and consistent. Step 2. Protect your brand and intellectual property. Register your trademarks, define your logos, ensure know-how is captured. Step 3. Build your legal foundation. While there's no franchise-specific law in the UK, you'll need a robust franchise agreement drafted under contract law, along with clear agreements for use of intellectual property and clarity around roles and responsibilities. Step 4. Develop the support infrastructure. Franchising isn't simply licensing. You must provide training, ongoing support, marketing, and quality control, systems that ensure franchisees can replicate your success. And to demonstrate credibility, consider joining the Quality Franchise Association, the UK's body promoting ethical franchising. Franchising may seem like a big leap, but with repeatability, legal structure, brand protection, and support, your business can grow far beyond what you do alone. Think of it as multiplying your footprint, not your workload.